Welcome to the Physiology Certification Preparatory course. We are excited to have you join the simulation. The purpose of this experience is to allow you to practice patient conversation and learn the process for height measurement in an environment that simulates a practical clinical space and patient interaction. Before you get started, let's go over a quick introduction on how you will use the navigation controls to interact and move through the simulation. Once you enter the simulation, you will see a display of the main menu. Feel free to turn your body in different directions to experience the full environment. For this simulation, we will be using the Oculus Quest 2. The two controllers work like your hands. When you face the menu, you can click the right controller button B or left controller button Y to enable a red beam, which can quickly help you to interact with the menu buttons. When you use the red beam to target the on-screen menu button, you can click the front trigger button on either controller to make a selection. To get started with the lesson, you will need to select the Start Lesson button to be automatically teleported to the first practice module. Once you have entered the first practice module, you can use the thumbstick on either controller to move around. The A button, located on the right controller, will be crucial when you are ready to begin interacting with the virtual patient. First, you will need to use the controller thumbstick to move close to the virtual patient. Once you have done so, you will click and hold the A button to talk to the virtual patient. Then, release the A button to receive a verbal or action response.
Take off your hat.
Do I have to? Okay, I'll take it off.
Just a quick recap before you get started. Use the B and Y button to enable the red beam. Use the trigger button on either controller to make a selection from the menu. Use the thumbstick on either controller to move in different directions. Use the A button on the right controller to talk to the virtual patient, and release the A button to receive a verbal or action response.
Take off your shoes.
I'll take them off right now.
If you feel you are ready to begin the lesson, use your controller to select Start Lesson from the menu options. Remember, if you run into any problems while navigating in the lesson, you can always select the How to Play button available on the blackboard. We hope you enjoy the simulation and have fun.